In this video, I am going to show you how to download Cinema HD on your Firestick TV easily and quickly. First, turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings in the top menu and select My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options and make sure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This allows you to install applications from outside the Amazon App Store. Now, return to the home screen and use the search function to find the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download and install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the link for the Cinema HD APK file from a trusted source and click Go to start the download. Once the download is complete, you will see an installation prompt. Click Install to install Cinema HD on your Firestick. After the installation is finished, you can open the app directly from the Downloader app or find it in your Apps section. Start exploring and enjoying a vast library of movies and TV shows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.